In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Delta in-flight Wi-Fi. Before the plane pushes back, switch your device to airplane mode. This keeps cellular radios off, which is required on board, and helps your battery last longer. With airplane mode on, go into your Wi-Fi settings and turn Wi-Fi back on. You'll see a list of available networks. Choose the one labeled Delta Wi-Fi. It may take a moment to connect, especially if a lot of passengers are joining at once. Once connected to the network, wait for the onboard Wi-Fi portal to open automatically in your browser. This is the page that lets you sign in and pick your access option. If the portal doesn't pop up after a minute or two, don't worry. I'll show you a quick fix in a moment. On the portal, you'll see options to sign in for complimentary access if eligible, or to purchase a pass. Pick the option that applies to you. When prompted, enter your login username and password carefully. Typos are a common reason connections fail, and sometimes passwords are case sensitive. If you're using an airline account, make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your profile. After you're signed in, choose how you want to use the connection. The portal will outline what's included, whether that's messaging, browsing, or full internet access. Keep in mind that speeds can vary based on the aircraft route and how many people are online. Now open the apps you plan to use. Many flights support popular messaging services like iMessage and WhatsApp. If your plan includes messaging, launch those apps and start your conversation. For browsing, open your preferred browser and navigate to a site you know loads quickly. You'll know you're connected when regular pages load without redirecting you back to the portal. If things don't work smoothly, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Toggle airplane mode off and back on, then reconnect to the Delta Wi-Fi network. Forget the network and join it again to refresh your connection. Temporarily disable any VPNs or private relay features which can block the portal. Close and reopen your browser and make sure you're not in a private browsing mode that might interfere with the sign-in. If the portal still won't appear, manually go to deltawifi.com in your browser to reach the sign-in page. Finally, make sure the Fly Delta app is updated in the App Store or Google Play. An updated app can improve sign-in, show flight-specific Wi-Fi details, and help you if support is needed mid-flight. That's it. You're connected and ready to go. Safe travels and enjoy your flight.